Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So last night my son went to the AMC theater, and then the parking over there was like a big pretty high curb, and then somehow he drove over it or actually bumped into it. I'm not sure how fast he was going. It seems like he was going pretty fast. Also, if he goes slow, then you could feel the bumper crush into the curb. But unfortunately, he didn't do that. So it's a big scratch right now. I'm trying to repair it. Yeah, I don't know if I need to use a heat gun to heat it up, because I'm gonna try to pull it out. It's pretty hard, so. And this is the front of the bumper. It's pretty bad. So we had to remove the plastic fastener, and then take out this plastic piece. On the bottom. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. So we gotta remove one. There's so many right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the 10mm screws. Well, anyway, that was a long process. So you gotta take out the bumper. So we use a heat gun to heat it up. And I'll probably paint that part later on, because it looks kind of ugly. But yeah, anyway, we're having trouble to put this out because the plastic piece got jammed with the metal piece on the frame. So anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.